As you answer the questions, make sure you stop it if you need to, and go ahead and look back in the passage for the information to answer the question. Number 1, according to the selection, what happened first? A, Kielburger formed Free the Children. B, Kielburger read about a child laborer. C, Kielburger traveled around the world. D, Kielburger co-authored 4 books. Number 2, which word best describes Kielburger? Humble, wealthy, lonely, competitive. Question 3, what first caused Kielburger to realize young people could help solve problems? Meeting with world leaders, the success of Free the Children, reading about a boy working in Pakistan, his brother's work trying to change things. Question 4, which of the following contains a statement of opinion? Kielburger grew up in Canada. He has traveled to more than 40 countries. The organization he founded, Free the Children, has built 350 schools around the world. Kielburger believes that education is a beneficial way to break the cycle of poverty. Question 5, what is the likely reason that most active members of Free the Children are under the age of 18? Adults are not interested in the organization. Many young people want to get involved with the group. It is an organization of young people for young people. Only child laborers are allowed to join the group. Number 6, based on this selection, which of the following statements is a valid generalization? Many of the children Kielburger has met have inspired him. Pakistan has the highest number of child laborers. Most of the members of Free the Children live in the United States. The leaders Kielburger talked to were not concerned about child labor. Question 7. The title of the selection is Working for the Future. What is the best alternative title? Craig and Mark, Brothers and Friends. Making a Difference. The Importance of Schools. Why you should read the newspaper. Question 8. How are Craig Kielburger and his brother Mark alike? They are good students. They want to be world leaders. They take action to change things. They think children are the best leaders. Question 9. What is the main idea of this selection? People make a lot of mistakes. Children should lead the world. Anyone can contribute to change. Work in other countries is very hard. Question number 10. Look at the map. Which of the following is true? Pakistan is part of Africa. Canada and Pakistan are neighbors. Pakistan is far away from Canada. Canada and Pakistan are about the same size. Question 11. What was the author's main purpose for writing this selection? To share the inspiring effects of one boy's actions, to convince readers to join Free the Children, to entertain readers with an amusing story, to express feeling of pride about Canada.